I'm just gonna run this way for a minute. There's a pile of railroad ties. Oh look, we still got like a light switch. The fact that this still moves is crazy. I did not expect that to move. Look, here's the light socket. Oh. We just gotta bring some lube with us next time. There's the little ones.
I just take it to leave alone.
Oh. But yeah, see, here's the light fixture. I feel like this was not here last time. This pipe.
Conduit? They're using it for conduit.
Yeah, it wasn't here last time though, I feel like.
Look at the dirt. Yeah.
It's not too bad. Still screw a bulb in there, maybe it'll work. Where's this?
Stand up and see if there's a bird in it.
I have no idea if I saw anything.